Only concentration can achieve the extraordinary. Only innovation can change the future. Wisdom is a power. Health is a power. Obligation from faithfulness. Elaboration in mind. Thinking of innovation. Acting for glory. Gongdong Medical Technology tries best to achieve high-quality products. And is committed to becoming a high-end brand of medical consumables. Satisfy experience by technology. Keep technology true to the body. Empower the health of each life. Focus and excellence. Gongdong Medical Technology.